Yesterday in class, we talked about elimination using addition and subtraction. Today in class, we talked about elimination using multiplication. The difference between the two is yesterday, if you add or subtract, something would cancel out. Today, you actually have to multiply before something can cancel out. So the first step is you have to pick a letter, either X or Y. In this case, I'm going to pick X. So 3 and 5 both multiply into 15. So I'm going to multiply the top equation by 5, giving me 15x minus 10y equal to 10. Then my second equation, since I picked my x's and I want them to cancel out, I'm going to multiply by negative 3 so that I have negative 15x plus 15y equal to negative 30. Now, when you add straight down, your x's are going to cancel. Negative 10 plus 15 is 5. 10 minus 30 is negative 20. Then you're going to divide. And you have y equals negative 4. Then you can take negative 4 and you can plug it back into either the top or the bottom equation. I always go back to the original. I'm going to plug it into the top. So I have 3x minus 2 times negative 4 equal to 2. So I have 3x plus 8 equals 2. Subtract 8. I have 3x equals 6. Negative 6. Divide by 3. And x is negative 2. Then don't forget to write your answer as an ordered pair. It is negative 2, negative 4. The second equation here, same situation. If you add straight down, nothing's going to cancel. If you subtract, nothing's going to cancel. So this is where you have to multiply. I'm going to pick the letter X again. And in this case, 16 and 8, what they both go into is 16. So I don't need to do anything to the top equation. I'm just going to rewrite it. On the bottom equation, I need to get a negative 16. So I'm going to multiply the whole bottom equation by 2. So I have negative 16x minus 12y equals 12. Now when I add straight down, my x's cancel. I have negative 22y equals 22. I'm going to divide. So you have y equals negative 1. Then you take negative 1 and you plug it back into either the top or the bottom. I'm going to do the bottom. So I have negative 8x minus 6 times negative 1 equals 6. So I have negative 8x plus 6 equals 6. Subtract 6 on both sides. You have negative 8x equals 0. Divide by negative 8. And x is 0. So then your ordered pair is 0, negative 1. This last one here, same situation. If you add straight down, nothing cancels. If you subtract, nothing cancels. This time I'm going to pick the letter y. You have negative 1y and you have 7y. What they both multiply into is 7. So I'm going to multiply the top by 7. So I have 14x minus 7y equals negative 21. The bottom one is already a positive 7, so those are going to cancel, so I'll just rewrite it. 10x plus 7y equals negative 3. Now when I add straight down, my y's cancel. I have 24x equals negative 24. Divide. So I have x equals negative 1. Then you can take negative 1 and you can plug it back into the top or the bottom. I'm going to do the top. So I have 2 times negative 1 minus y equals negative 3. Then you have negative 2 minus y equals negative 3. Add 2 to both sides. You have negative y equals negative 1. To get rid of the negative, you can either multiply or divide by negative 1. So you have y equals 1. So then you have negative 1